Want to generate real estate leads within 24 hours? I'm going to show you step by step how to fill your pipeline with exclusive high quality leads automatically using Facebook lead ads. Be sure not to skip ahead as you might miss critical steps. Hey folks, Adam Isom here with Isom Marketing, and I'm excited to bring you this guide that brings realtors a tremendous amount of value to their business. There are many benefits to using the lead ad campaigns. My top 4 are: 1, lead ads are the easiest campaigns to create. 2, people stay on Facebook the moment that they click your call to action button. 3, any personal information the lead previously gave to Facebook pre-populates on the lead form, creating much less friction, so they're more likely to submit their contact information. 4, you avoid shiny object syndrome. Since they're staying on Facebook, you're not wasting your valuable time creating a high converting landing page or a high converting website with a complicated sales funnel, trying to piece together and integrate multiple apps. If you hear me say skip, just keep in mind to ignore that step because it's not necessary for a lead ad campaign. I hope you're ready. Let's jump straight in. 1, go to the Facebook Ads Manager and click the big green button on the left. Create. Create new campaign, lead generation. Continue. Name your campaign. List of homes under 400,000. Special ad categories. You're required to declare if your ads are related to housing. Select the drop-down arrow. Select housing. Skip campaign details. Skip A/B testing. It's easier to manually test it by copying the campaign, pasting it into a new campaign, and renaming it. Skip campaign budget optimization by toggling this off. Click next. Real quick, after publishing your ad, you're going to start generating leads, and I want you to be prepared. Once leads start coming in, I need you to come back to this video and share your results. Next step, name the ad set. I'm going to name mine San Antonio Buyers. Lead method, select instant forms. Page, select the Facebook page which you're creating the ads from. Dynamic creative, turn this off. It's not necessary now. Budget and schedule, you want daily budget, I recommend $20. Start date and end date. A good testing period is about 2 weeks. Audience, you're going to want to skip this step. Under locations, select people living in this location. This eliminates people who recently moved out without updating their profile. Next, enter your target area by clicking search and type in San Antonio, Texas. You can no longer select age or gender, so skip that. Detailed targeting, if you're in the US, you can either leave this off or you can edit and type in Zillow. Type in Trulia. And Realtor.com. Next, Let's go down to placements. You don't want to be using automatic placements because Facebook will spread your budget too thin. Use the following 3 placements that have been proven to get the best results. Uncheck all except Facebook newsfeed, Instagram feed, and Facebook Marketplace. I don't have an Instagram feed, so I'm not going to do that. But if you do, just select Instagram feed. Click next. Name the ad. Click single image. Scroll down to ad creative. Media, edit, change media. And on here, you're going to want to upload a picture of the home that is within your list. For mine, it's 250,000 to 400,000. A technique which is commonly used to generate higher levels of interest is to choose a property that's slightly higher priced than the price point that you're advertising. Texas home. Next. Original. Just click done. Under primary text, type the following, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste. Attention Bexar County, thinking about buying a home? I've compiled an exclusive list of hot homes in the Bexar County area between 250 to 400,000. This list is more up to date than Zillow, Redfin, Trulia, and some of the homes even qualify for no money down. Click Learn More below to get your exclusive list. But don't wait, homes in this market are going fast. Under headline, type hot list of homes under 400,000. Under description, type will not last. Under call to action, select learn more. Under instant form, select create form. Click continue. These are critical steps in creating a lead ad form. So if you introduce any new variables to the lead, they might leave. So just follow these steps step by step. Go to settings and select open. Your ad can be shared and anyone can submit this form. If any friend submits their contact information, those friends becomes free leads. Who doesn't want free leads, right? Next, click content. Name the ad. Hot list of homes under 400,000. Form type, more volume. Under intro, select the same picture as your ad. Upload image. Okay. Under headline, type, where would you like us to send your hot list of homes? All right, scroll down to questions and pre-fill questions. Delete full name for ad category, first name, ad category, phone number. So drag first name above, so the order will be first name, email, phone number. Under privacy, paste the link to your website's privacy policy. So click privacy, link This is going to be the link to your website's privacy policy. Link text, type in privacy policy. Under completion headline, type thank you. Click below to view our listings. Completion headline, thank you. Click below to view our listings. Description, type let us know if you would like to book a private viewing, or if you have any questions, feel free to call or text at so and so. There you go. Call to action button, view website. Call to action text, type view free list of homes. And then what you're going to want to do under link is go to your website and find a home that you're promising that's on your list. My list would be 250,000 to 400,000. So find one of those homes that's on the list, copy that link to that home and paste it here. Click Save Draft. Now you're going to want to go over this information, proofread it for proper grammar and spelling, because once you click Publish, you can no longer edit this form. Once it's fully spell checked, click Publish. Under Tracking CRM Events, click Website Events and select your Facebook pixel if you have one. If you don't have one, don't worry about it, it's not necessary. And the last step is click Publish. That's it. There you have it. That's how you successfully create a Facebook lead ad that will start generating real estate leads within 24 hours. If you found this guide helpful and valuable, please share your results. Can't wait to see them. If you want me to generate the leads for you, you can book a call on my Calendly link in the description below. Have a great day.